So the answer is D, none of these. But then now the answer is D, but then the question of yours will be, what is actually required to construct a kite? What is the minimum requirement? So what you need actually to draw a kite is the length of the adjacent sides, means these opposite sides, and one angle between the similar sides, means same sides, any one angle. Suppose even if you know this angle, then also it's okay. So what three conditions? One, length of one side, length of the other side, bigger side, and one angle between this. Now you will say, if this is the case, only three conditions are required. Then there is a basic premise of quadrilateral which says that five conditions are required to draw a quadrilateral. Where are the five conditions then? Here only three are required. One side smaller, one side bigger, and one angle between either smaller sides or bigger sides, any one. So these are the three conditions, and the remaining two conditions, basically five are required, that's for sure. So remaining two conditions are, this side is equal to this side, this smaller side, this is condition number 4, and condition number 5 is this side is equal to this side. So this is condition number 5. It is inbuilt in the kite, that's why these two conditions are not shown. But basically for any quadrilateral, 5 elements are required. If these unset conditions are there, because these are the basic properties of the kite, so that's why they are not written. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis. You will learn them within 3 months. But do it with a discipline. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.